Genesis chapter 23. Sarah, the woman who laughed when God promised the impossible, the woman who journeyed beside Abraham through deserts and dangers, had breathed her last. 127 years she had walked this earth. Now, in the quiet hills of Kiryat Arba, her voice was silent. Abraham stood still firm, his heart heavy, his tent filled with the sound of weeping. For a moment, the father of faith felt only the ache of a husband who had lost his beloved. When the morning had passed, Abraham stepped into the sunlight, his eyes red, his voice steady. He approached the Hittites, the people of that land, and spoke humbly, "I am a foreigner, a stranger among you. Give me a place to bury my dead, so she will rest in peace." They honored him, calling him a mighty prince, offering him any tomb he wished. But Abraham would not simply take. He sought to secure a place not as a favor, but as his own. He named the spot the Cave of Machpelah, owned by Ephron, son of Zohar. In the city gate, before all the elders, Ephron replied, "No, my lord, I give you the field, I give you the cave. Take it and bury your dead." But Abraham bowed low. "No, I will pay the price, let it be mine." Ephron named it 400 shekels of silver, a king's sum for a field of stone and soil. Abraham did not hesitate. The silver was weighed out, each coin shining in the sunlight as witness looked on. That day, the field and the cave became his first piece of land in the promised land. And there, beneath the shade of ancient trees, Abraham laid Sarah to rest. The journey they began together, ending for her in the soil God has promised. The man who owned nothing in Canaan now held a grave, a quiet reminder that God's promises are claimed. One step, one sacrifice, one act of faith at a time.